What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Temu affiliate program in order to promote products and make money out of them. First, go to temu.com, create your account here. It's pretty easy, straightforward and free to create. Temu is a marketplace that has a wide variety of great products with great pricing and fast delivery. Now here, as you can see on their homepage, you can see a glimpse of the products, some of the products that are sold by them. And as you can see, all the categories are covered. Now, if you scroll down to the very bottom of the screen here, you'll find under the company info, affiliate and influencer earn commission. Click on it. It'll open up the new tab with the affiliate program information. And here you can link up with Temu affiliate, earn commissions with ease. And if you get started, you'll even get a $2 right now to get you started. Now, they offer high commission up to 20% commissions of download bonuses for the apps and exclusive selling prices, as well as trusted brands offered by them. Now, you can join now. However, let's take a look and learn more about the affiliate program. Here, if you are an influencer, you can earn commission, as I told you. You can get credits and you can get bonuses if a new user download the app from your link. And as a website owner, you can get high commission rates if you promote products on your website. If you are even a standard member or organization, you can get it here. And over 300,000 people are joining the influencer or the affiliate program and are making money. You can get here new coupons for new app users if someone downloads the app of your link or use your codes, as well as some more information and some questions. You can join here the program now and make sure your country is supported. Now, once you get started and sign up with the affiliate program, you'll get a link here to download the app and you'll get your own code. Now, one thing to note is that you cannot promote a certain app. You can get a link for your affiliate program, one link for users to download the app and browse products through it, and you can get one link to download the app and for your users to be able to browse products from it, and a code that is unique for you that will get your users or the users that you share it with a discount, and you'll get a commission as well. Now, once you get both of them, let's go to your platform of choice on which you will promote your link here. And in this case, I'll use Pinterest, which is a great website with lots of ideas and lots of users that search for all kinds of products. And to create an account on Pinterest, it's pretty easy, straightforward, simple, and free. And once you've created your account, you can create pins that'll appear on the search if anyone searches for the same category of the product that you promote. So let's go ahead here and create, and it'll get us to the pin creation page. Now here, let's go back to Temu. And after, of course, you've signed up with the affiliate program, go ahead and search for a product that you want to promote. And here you can view many products that you can promote, or you can choose between the products that are trending for this week. And here you can view all the categories, the top rated and all of them. Now, let's say I find a product that I want to promote. For example, let's say I want to promote this bracelet. Click on it. And here I can get all the info about it, like the price, the title, the photos, the description, and so much more. And I can view some reviews as well. This is a highly rated product. Now, here are the varieties, some photos, and some information. Now, what you want to do is to go ahead and copy this information on your newly created pin. Let's start by saving this photo, for example. So save image as, okay, save it here to the downloads. And save some other photos as well if you want to. However, I only need one for the pin cover. And let's go and copy the title. Okay. Now, once you've copied the title and saved the image that you like, let's go back to Pinterest in the pin creating page. And let's start by uploading the cover photo that we downloaded. Okay, okay, here it is. Open it. And now it's added. Now in the title, let's paste the title that was on Temu. However, it's too long. Let's say here stud earrings plus necklace plus bracelet. Let's edit the title a bit to make it a bit shorter. Okay, plus bracelet plus bangle plus ring with lucky flower. Okay, let's delete the rest. Now it's good. Now here in the description, enter something catchy like buy your set now at a discounted price, and let's add from Temu. And here you need to paste your affiliate link. Now the affiliate link is not the product link itself. You can get the link here. Once you've signed up to the affiliate program, you'll get your link right here. And go ahead and paste your link here. And you need to, after of course you add your title here, or your description, you do need to mention that this is an affiliate product. Otherwise Pinterest might suspend your account. So this is an affiliate product. And now you can add your discount code. So type something like get an additional discount at checkout when you use this code, and enter or paste here your affiliate code. Now your affiliate code you will get once you are signed up to the affiliate program. You will get your own code right here that people can use to add and get the discount, and for you to get the affiliate commission. Now here in the link, you need to add your affiliate link that is generated by you once you've signed up to the affiliate program, not the product link itself here. But once you sign up here to the affiliate program, you'll get your own link. You'll copy it and then paste it right here. For the sake of this video, I'll just paste or copy and paste the product link itself. Now in the board, you'll choose a board here. Let's say this is test board, or you can create a new board for your affiliate products. Let's choose this board. Now you can add tags. Let's say bracelet. Okay, bracelet. Let's add, for example, bracelet set. Okay, and necklace, rings, accessories, bridal accessories. Okay, you can add as many tags as you want. And here you get more options if you want to allow people to comment and show similar products. And once you are ready, you can go ahead and publish your pin. Now, two things you need to keep in mind is, first, you need to get your own affiliate link from here, from the affiliate program, and not the product link itself. I did so just for the sake of this video. I just did copy the product link, and to paste your code. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that you need to mention, don't forget to mention that this is an affiliate product here. Now, once you've set everything, the photo, the pin, title, description, link, added your board, added your tags and everything, you can click here to add or tag a certain product if you want to. Now, once everything is set, you can go ahead and publish. And now your pin is published. And you can create a new pin, adding new product. So of course you can promote more than one product, because the link that is generated, as I told you, is for your account, not for a certain product. So you can market or promote more than one product with the same link and the same code, as these will link to the app itself. The users or your followers or the people who search for your pin and are interested in this product can install Temu and search or get the product for a discount and enter your code for a discount, and you'll get a commission in return. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can earn money using the Temu affiliate program while promoting their products on Pinterest.